Hi students, this is Dalai Lama, a student of physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class discussed the problems, the vector and scalar components of problems. The continuous problems today. Find the unit vector parallel to vector a bar equal 3i plus 4j. This is the vector a equal 3i cap plus 4j cap. To find out the unit vector. What is the unit vector? A vector whose magnitude is 1 is called unit vector. First of all, a vector equal 3i cap plus 4j. To find out the unit vector, the formula of unit vector a cap equal a bar by magnitude of a bar. A bar equal 3i plus 4j. To find out the magnitude of a bar, the formula of magnitude a bar under root of ax square plus ay square and x square. There is no k, 0 k bar, only 2 I and j 2 units. So formula is a square plus ay square. Therefore ax equal 3. Next one, ay is equal 4. To substitute this equation, ax is equal 3 under root of 3 square plus ay is equal 4 whole square. I comma j, the unit vectors equal 1 under root of 3 square equal 9. Next one, 4 square is equal 16. Therefore, magnitude a bar equal 9 by 16 root 25. Root 25 means 5 square. Square root cancel equals 5. Therefore, the magnitude of a bar equal to 5. To find out the unit vector, the formula of unit vector equal a bar for a cap equal to a bar by magnitude of a bar. Therefore, a bar equal 3i plus 4j. 3i plus 4j by magnitude of a bar equal to 5. This is the unit vector, or the denominator converted to 3 by 5 into I cap 4 by 5 into j cap. This is the unit vector a cap equal. The next one problem is, if a and b are two vectors, a bar equal to I cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap, and b vector or b bar equal I cap plus j cap plus k cap. To find out the a bar plus b bar. Next one, the magnitude of a plus b bar. Next one is the a minus b bar. Fourth one, a minus magnitude of a minus b bar. First of all, to take the two vectors, a equal 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 4k cap. Next one, another vector is the b vector. B bar equal I cap plus j cap plus k cap. To find out the a bar plus b bar, the first one, a bar plus b bar equal to write down a bar equal 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Next one, the symbol is plus, so is the plus. Next one, b bar equal I plus j plus k. Okay, now a plus b bar equal to a equal 2i plus 3j minus 4k plus plus. Next one, b bar I plus j plus k is the unit vectors I, j, k. To adding same unit vectors, to adding 2i plus I equal to 3i. Next one, to adding same unit vectors j comma j, 3j plus j is equal to 4j. Next one, minus 4k plus k equal to minus 3k. This is the a bar plus b bar. Repeat once again. The I, j, k the unit vectors. Two adding same unit vectors. I plus I, 2i plus I is equal to 3i. Next one, same unit vectors. J plus 3j plus j is equal to 4j. Next one, plus unit vectors. K comma k. Minus 4k plus k is equal to minus k. This is the a bar plus b bar equal 3i plus 4j minus 3k. This is the first equation. This is the first one solved. Second one is the magnitude of a plus b bar. The second one problem is mod a bar plus b bar. First of all, a bar plus b bar is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 3k. So 3i plus 4j minus 3k. This is the mod of a bar plus b bar. To find out the mod means magnitude. To find out the magnitude, find form under root of ax square plus ay square plus az square. The x-axis is the I unit vector, y-axis is the j unit vector, z-axis is the k unit vector. Therefore, ax is equal to 3, ay is equal to 4, az is equal to minus 3. The minus 3 to substitute in equation under root of magnitude a plus b bar equal ax square equal 3 square plus ay square is equal to 4 square. Next one, az square is equal to minus 3 whole square. Mod a bar plus b bar. Root 3 whole square is equal to 9. Root 4 square, 16, 4 into 4, 16. Plus minus 3 whole square, minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to plus 9, minus into minus plus, then 9. So adding 9 plus 16 equal 25, 25 plus 9. Therefore under some mod a bar plus b bar equal under root of 34 units. This is the second answer. The first one answer is mod a bar plus b bar equal to 3i plus 4j minus 3k. The second answer is mod a bar plus b bar equal to root 34 units. The third one problem is a bar minus b bar. A equal 2i plus 3j minus 4k. B bar equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. The symbol is subtraction. So a minus b bar equal a 2y plus 3j minus 4k. The minus of I plus j plus k. This one 2y plus 3j minus 4k. Minus into plus equal minus the plus side. Next one minus into plus. Minus j minus into plus the minus k. The symbol is minus a minus b. Therefore, the unit vector I 2i minus I equal to I. Next one j 3j minus j equal plus 2j. Next one minus 4k minus k equal minus 5k. This is the a bar minus b bar. The third one problem solution. A bar minus b bar equal to I cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap. The fourth one is mod a bar minus b bar. The solution of the third. A bar minus b bar equal to I plus 2j minus 5k. Therefore, mod I cap plus 2j cap minus 5k cap. The mod means the magnitude. The magnitude of I plus 2j minus 5k under root of that formula ax square, it means 1 square. Ay square means is the 2 square. Plus 8z square means the 5 square. Therefore, under root of 1 square means is 1, 2 square means 4, 5 square means 25. Therefore, magnitude of A bar minus B bar equal 1 plus 5 plus 25 is equal root 30 units. This is the fourth one answer. Mod A bar minus B bar is equal to root 30 units. The next one topic is triangle of vectors, the important topic in midterm exams. The definition of triangle of vectors: if two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by the two sides of triangle taken to order, their resultant is represented in magnitude and direction by the third side of the triangle taken in reverse order. This is called triangle of vectors. To take in two vectors, is the A vector and is the B vector. If two vectors A comma B are two vectors, is represented magnitude and direction. This is the magnitude, this is the A bar, this is the magnitude, B bar, the direction, some direction. This is the direction of two sides of a triangle taken in order. For example, this is the A bar, the side of the A bar vector, the other side is the B vector. Two sides is the P, Q, R. The first side is the PQ, the other side is the QR. To draw a triangle, the direction of A bar and the direction of B bar, the two sides are equal. Then the resultant is represented in magnitude, direction of the third side. The third side is the third side of the triangle taken in reverse order. This triangle is reverse order. Is called triangle of vectors. The sides PQ, QR and PR are three sides. PQ, QR, next one PR are three sides. The two vectors A bar and B bar. C is the magnitude vector. But two vectors are opposite side of the third side. The PR is the opposite side. Therefore, PR equal PQ plus QR. Therefore, PR is equal to magnitude of C vector. C bar equal PQ is the A bar plus QR is equal to B bar. This is the triangle of vector. The third side is the opposite direction of the two sides. Is called triangle of vector.